I admit that this recipe is so simple it doesn't really need a video. But its history is interesting. It is taken from the Bavarian Puch von der Chosten, a 15th century translation from an 11th century Arabic dietary treatise by Ibn Jazla. The dish is called Canabithia. No, there's no cannabis involved. It's a bad transcription of the Arabic Qunnabitiyya, originally a cauliflower dish, but somehow the vegetable got lost in translation. Interesting point about this dish is not its preparation. In fact, it is as simple as can be and something I frequently do with leftover rice anyway. No, it's the supposed health benefits that are ascribed to it. I quote, "It is warm and promotes urination, helps against flatulence, gives a healthy color to the face and cures abdominal colic, melancholy and phlegm. What else could you wish for?"